When somebody contacts us about a wrongful death claim after the loss of a loved one in their family, they're very stressed. Usually they're obviously very emotional and hurt, and a lot of times there's anger involved. And it's essentially been proven that grief is increased when you lose a loved one and it's due to the fault of someone else because it could have been prevented. And so that increases the amount of grief. And so when we talk to people who have contacted us about a potential wrongful death claim, we see all different types of emotions, but anger, fear, and of course just hurt and grief are at the forefront of what's going on in their lives. And we here at Christian and Christian want them to know that first of all, we sympathize with what's going on in their life. Second of all, at Christian and Christian, we want them to understand that not only do we sympathize with what's going on, but we want to be able to take over the whole legal aspect of what's going on so they don't have to worry about that anymore, and they can move on with grieving and dealing with their recovery at home.
I was referred to Christian and Christian by a friend from work because I had a situation that I wanted someone to look at for me or review.
When somebody contacts a lawyer about a potential wrongful death claim, they need to choose a lawyer that is very well versed in handling wrongful death claims and has a history of dealing with them. There's a number of different specific legal requirements and hurdles that belong to wrongful death claims. And so it's very important that you contact a lawyer who handles these directly and has a history of handling them, and not somebody who just tries to handle a wrongful death claim here or there to make a quick fee.
Christian and Christian was able to help me through the case. They did all the groundwork for me. I gave them information and they took over and did the rest for me. I wouldn't be able to handle the situation without seeking advice.
If somebody was concerned about hiring an attorney due to economic concerns or another bill they're concerned about receiving another bill from that lawyer regarding a potential wrongful death claim, they shouldn't worry about contacting Christian and Christian for that reason. We only work off of contingency fees, and so therefore we only get paid if there is a recovery. All of our work and anything we do leading up to that recovery is for free until we get paid. And so there shouldn't be any stress about contacting Christian and Christian if you're worried about additional bills for your wrongful death claim.
If someone had a similar situation to mine, I would be glad to refer them to the firm. They cared about my situation, they cared about the way I was feeling, and they took it from there.